Have you run out of bread at home? We'll make it in a pan in 10 minutes. Let's start with the dough, which is very simple. Put the flour into a bowl, pour in the water all in one go, salt, baking powder, not yeast, okay? Don't get it mixed up. Finally, the oil, and start mixing it with a spatula or a wooden spoon. I told you it was easy. I'm going to start kneading it with my hands, and as soon as the bowl is clean, transfer it to the worktop. Shape it into a smooth ball. Now that our dough is no longer sticking, we can divide it into 8 parts. For even more delicious bread, you can replace the oil with the same amount of lard. And then to give it even more fragrance, maybe add a mix of dried herbs such as thyme and rosemary. We're going to take each piece of dough and turn it into a ball. Take the edges, bring them into the center, and round them using the inner part of your hand. And here's the last one. And now leave the balls of dough to rest under a cloth for 5 minutes. Let's start rolling out the dough. A bit of flour to help me, and we're aiming for a diameter of about 20 centimeters and a thickness of half a centimeter. Once it starts pulling back too much, we'll put it to one side and move on to the next one. We can already start cooking the bread. Pour the oil into a non-stick pan, let it heat up well, and then, very gently, place the first one down, cover it with a lid, leave a small vent, and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on one side. These nice bubbles are going to form on the surface. We're going to check if it's well cooked on the bottom, and then we can turn it over. Recover it with the lid, again leaving a small vent. 3 more minutes and it's ready. When the bread is nice and golden on both sides, I'll take it off the heat. Our pan-fried bread is ready, very soft and super fragrant. Now we'll taste it. Very good. Make it yourself, okay?
Ciao!
Oh, really good.